Yo, what's fucking good with y'all boys, bro? You already see it. KILLABILLY. No intro. Let's just get to it. Come on. WTF? 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 I don't know why that sounded so hard for me to say, but let's get it. Oh, crap. God damn it. I forgot about the fit change. My bad. All right. And we're back. And oh my God, you see the fit I chose. And you know what? We got to end the last one off on a banger. So you see the fit. You see the fit. Hey, get up. Take it all in. Um. All right, Sensei. For real, Nick, you a little bitch, bro. Yes, Sensei. Yes, Sensei. Yes, Sensei. All right, let's get close to. Hey, bro, eyes up. I see you. Oh shit. God. Dang. Ugh. What the fuck? Oh my gosh, they're fucking bouncing, bro. Oh my god. They're bouncing, bro. They're dead ass bouncing. Guys, don't like. Yo, bro. W fan service, bro. You're welcome. You're welcome. I chose this fit for y'all boys, bro. Stop playing with me. Fuck. There we go. Oh, we made a path. Catch this one too. What? She didn't even fucking jump. What the fuck was that? Also, what's that beeping noise? What the fuck, bitch? Oh, catch that, bro. Fuck. How the fuck was I on fire? What the shit? Oh my god, bro. Whoever worked on those physics went crazy, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Holy. I mean, thank you for the peak, whoever made this outfit, bro. Also, bro, I just realized that move has her sliding around on her knees, bro. That should look so painful, bro. She definitely got knee bruises from all that, bro. Oh, what the fuck? Hey, bitch. Oh, shit, car. Watch out, little boy. And he got me on fire either way. Oh, car. Come on, I'm ready. Stop playing with me. You know Juliet got that ultra instinct, bro. I'm fucking play. We cutting up. Oh, shit, we cutting up all these sedans. Yo, watch out. God damn, bro. He just threw like 3 back to back. Oh, wait, I should have a lollipop. Oh, wait, never mind. I'm low. I'm kind of low on them right now. Oh, shit. Also, what are these bean cans? I've never seen these fucking bean cans a day in my life, bro. Oh, fuck. I missed it. No, no, no. Fuck it. We're just going to go straight for him. Who cares, bro? Just go for it. Just go for it. Just go for it. The buildings are collapsing and shit, but just go. Go, 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 go. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Okay, this way, this way, this way. No way, I just ran out. No, I'm dead. No. Oh, we... Fuck you, Nick. Bro. We had that shit in the bag, bro. And then that fucking car came through, bro. Holy shit. Oh. No, I missed that one. Fuck. I can't go through there. Watch out. Oh, shit. Oh, I suck at driving. I fucking suck. And we ran out of fucking fuel? And a chainsaw? Come on. Come on, Juliet. Okay, we got this time. We got this. Nice. There we go. That's what was supposed to happen. Aced auto shop classes. If anybody wants to know what that said. KILLABILLY. Why does that sound like Kill Bill? Alright. Oh, what is that? Blow that shit up. Holy shit, bro. Nah, they're on me like crazy. I'm not gonna lie. Bro, this is the first time we ever seen a KILLABILLY, bro. What are you talking about? We killed Bigfoot? What the fuck? Damn. Well, I mean, he just got turned into the... Oh. He just got turned into it. And it probably needs that sacrifice or whatever he was talking about. And, okay, well, there's more art, so we'll buy more art. Alright, now we run out of art. There's no more skills. Oh, wait. Do we need anything? Nope. Alright, let's buy some more outfits, I guess. We'll do... Even though it's probably the last playthrough, but, or last... We'll do this one. Oh, fuck, that's... I like... We'll do the bunny suit. Alright. Let's go Kill Bill. KILLABILLY. And he iced, or he golded out, I guess. Not ice. There ain't no ice on that neck, bro. Just straight 18 karat, bro. Oh, shit. Hell yeah, bro. And we gotta kill all these fucking guys? Holy shit. Oh, no, he broke it by himself. Oh, shit. Oh, watch out. Bro, what is a Frankenberry, bro? I know Frankenstein. What the fuck is a Frankenberry? What the fuck? Have you ever killed a vampire? I don't think so. You know who has? Me. I killed a vampire in Red Dead Redemption in the city of Saint Denis, bro. Oh, shit. He got red beams now? What the fuck? Yo. Oh, he got that tracker, bro. He got that aimbot shit on me. Damn. Like, look how he tracking me through the walls and shit, bro. Oh, fuck. It didn't even hurt me. What the fuck was that? It's not even, like, hurting me. That's so weird. Oh, okay, now it's hurting me. Now it's fucking hurting me. Alright, I made it. I made it. Bro, I'm just ignoring all the fucking zombies, bro. I don't give a fuck about him. We literally speedrunning this episode right now. I know you guys see the jiggle physics, bro. I know that shit going crazy, but... Oh, shit. Oh, fuck. What? Sensei didn't teach you about this? What else would I even need from here? I can't even afford anything. I can't afford any threads at all. I can't afford no threads, bro. I can't do this. I mean, what do I need? Nothing, nothing. What is that annoying ass sound? Holy shit. Alright, we're finally here, bro. Cut his dick off. Cut his dick off with a chainsaw. Always stay hydrated, bro. Oh my fuck. All that ass just blinded me. My bad, guys. Holy shit. What am I supposed to shoot? Your chains? Oh, what the fuck? Oh yeah, let's think. Circle. What am I supposed to do? Bitch. I shot it. What? Oh, his eyes? Maybe his eyes. Oh yeah, his eyeballs, his eyeballs, eyeballs. And then that shit just always hits me. Fuck, bro. What am I supposed to do about that shit? And then he's about to go like this, and then we flick him in his other hand, and that makes him stop. Nah, that's some bullshit. That's dumb. Hey, if that was me, I would have just tanked it. Oh fuck. Oh, I can't go like this when he spits. Fuck, bro. I could just cut that thing in half. Hey, let's, bro. Matt, what would happen if you just fucking ran out of ammo during this shit? That how? What? Yo, I forgot he got molested as a child. What am I supposed to do about that shit, bro? Wait, can I dodge? No, I can't dodge. Fuck. Fuck yeah. I mean, we'll just tank it. Actually, bro, I can't tank it, bro. I don't got enough. Oh my fucking god, bro. And now, what am I supposed to do? All right. Dude, what am I supposed to do on that? That shit is so annoying. Oh, I can hit him right here? Oh, that's to make it dodge. Oh, crap. I did not know that. Oh, fuck. Okay, so I can move it around. I wish I would have got that in a fucking boss explaining tutorial or whatever. Or like a little friendly tip. But nah. Dodge this way. Fuck yeah. Nah. He ain't strong enough for us. Even though we only got 11 bullets left. Oh my god, because I kept fucking shooting that shit. And I just wasted some shots. I'm about to run out, bro. And that shit did no damage. Oh my fuck. Oh shit. I ran into that one. Oh fuck. Bro, we're down to 3 shots. One. Fuck. Why did it double? Why did it do double shots? I only have 1 bullet left. I have no more bullets, bro. Give me some bullets, bro. Fuck. Please give me some bullets. Oh shit. Can I do a Nick shake? Oh, thank you. They gave me bullets. They gave me bullets. I need more bullets. Oh shit. Oh, he's one shot. He's fucking one shot. Fuck you, bitch. Shut your bitch ass up, Nick. Oh, fuck. I'm trying. He's literally one shot. Oh, my fucking. And you're going to do this bullshit? All right, there we go. Damn, bro. His beard is so fucked up. I didn't even notice. Finally. Ah! Bro, we're going to be like Kratos and just cut right out through the stomach or something. Oh, fuck. Oh, shit. I can cut his fucking fingers off? That's cool. That's cool as fucking deed. Vroom, 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 vroom. Oh, what the fuck? He revved it and now it's just tracking me, but it's not that good at tracking me and I'm just making it do donuts. And then this fucking guy grabs me. Oh shit, these are suicide bombers. Oh, fuck. That's my light work, bro. God damn, he's fucking spawning a shit ton. Bro, where is he storing this shit at? Oh, yo, his tongue game go crazy, though. All the lady zombies wet right now. Stop playing. Fuck. And then he hits that fucking... Oh, shit. That fucking disco move right there, bro. He's just doing a helicopter. Ah, fuck. Oh, wait, I can do this one. There we go. Shut up, Nick. You a bitch. Like, you got nothing, bro. You got no head and no body talking about being strong, bro. Come on. Holy fuck. Jumping on his body? What the fuck do you mean? Did that work? Oh, crap. Woo. Bro, this is literally like that card game in Resident Evil 7 where if you like... Oh, shit. Like, if you... Fuck. If you lose the round or something, you get one of your fingers chopped off. That game... I forgot how I saw play it. But I seen somebody... I think it was Corey. I think it was Corey that played it. Corey X Kenshin. And oh my god, bro. That shit was so hard. Like, that shit looked so realistic. It scared me as a kid. Like, they would have this, like, saw... like this fucking trap for your hand straight out of the fucking Saw movies, and like if you got one wrong, it would just cut off your finger. That's what's so cool. Yo, the developers love the angles on this game, bro. They love their camera work, and they do a great job at it. Bro, he looks like young boy with the laser beam shooting out of his eyes. Our chainsaw. Nah, it's indestructible. Hell yeah. Hell yeah, brother. Damn, this is a really intense moment right here. Damn. And I will always love you. Like, damn, bro. Come on. No way we choked this. Come on, Juliet. Get in there, bro. Why is he all red? Just like me right now, but I both know we weren't looking at Nick right there. Hell yeah. Hell yeah, bro. Dang. I wonder what atrocities we're about to find in here. Also, we're bare feet too. All the foot lovers are already going crazy right now. I can tell, bro. But bare feet up in here. Um, that's nasty. Destroy lonely in the air? Um, we can't just squeeze through that shit? Oh, actually, I know the perfect move for this. Why was I doing that slow ass shit? What the fuck? Oh my gosh, they love their tentacles. They love their tentacle porn, bro. Oh shit. Bro's the headless horseman. I mean, he just looks like a chill ass dude, bro. And isn't all our weak point our heart? You can't even see that I'm hitting my heart, but we have to put Nick's head on there and sacrifice him. No. Not damn, bro. Sorry, Nick. Gotta go, mud. I mean, you were a solid like 6 out of 10 character. Looks definitely 10 out of 10, but sorry, bro. You gotta go, bro. Hell yeah. All three of us are red right now. Just pure tomato. Juliet, Nick, and me are just straight red, bro. All right. Damn. Oh my fuck, that shit's bright. Jeez. Oh, are you fucking kidding me? Almost straight A's, bro. Are you fucking kidding me? Some bullshit. Oh, was it all a dream? Oh no, he's in the afterworld or whatever. Bro didn't get his body to respawn. Damn, bro. Does he get to come back to life with his body? What? Bro, he sounds a lot like Nick's pastor, except he didn't touch, he just watched. No way, he got his body back. Or did what body did he get? Oh, whoa! That's nah. Oh my god! No way. They nerfed, bro. Nah, she leaving you, bro. Imagine that shit would be so funny. She's like, nah, I don't like to organize. Oh my gosh, so it'd be so funny. Hell yeah, bro. If he got replaced with his body, does that mean like everything's the old body, even his? Damn, this image is just missing the mom, bro. Missing the mom from the middle right there. We got everybody but her. Well, that shit was probably one of the most unique games I think I've ever played in my life. I'm not gonna lie. I can't. I really can't think of anything crazier than that, or crazier than this. I don't think I've ever played a game as unique as this, and this shit was fire. 10 out of 10. But yeah, no, this was an experience, bro. Thank you to everybody here for making it. Let's see if there's Can I speed it up? Nah, I can't speed it up. Oh. Well, I mean, the best boss was right there on the screen. The disco boss, that was the best boss of the entire game. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know why they put so much like detail into him, but he was fire, bro. Like so many moving parts. Also, nah, I'm not gonna lie. The last boss, KILLABILLY, was kind of. I mean, I guess the second phase was cool. And then when we were in the stomach, I don't know. I wish there was like a little more fighting in the stomach. But then we just kind of sacrificed Nick. But yeah, damn, bro, a lot of people worked on this shit, bro. Thank you, though. Oh, what? I just realized I'm controlling Nick. What the hell? Look, I can spam jump, spam jump, jump over them. Just jump over everything, bro. Oh, I can't go that high. Ah. Oh, I bet you there was a secret ending right there with those rainbow stairs. Like, if you jump up one of them, something happens. But why would they let me control Nick? Why can't I control Juliet, bro? The only person we played as the entire game. And Claudier, or whatever your name is, bro. Oh, look, here they are. I'm gonna try. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, no, nothing happened. But, yeah, no, I still need that sniper. I'm not gonna lie to you. Hey. Oh, shit, I can control them. Oh, what the fuck? What button is C? C is R1. Make them all jump. Make them all go. Wait. And now. Fuck yeah. Hey. 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 Okay, that's kind of cool, actually. I did not know that you could do that. Or maybe if I went up as Juliet, maybe it would have triggered something secret. Who knows? Peak ass remake. Thank you for this. Seriously. After credits, anything? Ooh. I mean, we gotta celebrate Juliet's birthday with a cake, bro. Let's see. Let's see it. Let's see. Hell yeah. Nah. Bruh. Fiend. Well, I hope they found a cure. Congratulations, you beat the game. There are now items on sale at chop2shop.com. You have new messages in your telephone. Okay, well. Ugh. Hell yeah. Well, thank y'all for watching. That's been a series. And I'll see y'all next time. If you enjoyed that, drop a like, drop a sub, if you follow me, and I'll see y'all in the next playthrough or whatever we do, whatever comes next. Peace out.